Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would take you on a little field trip out into my backyard because I'm heading out to play in the snow. It's literally been snowing all day. I don't know if you can see. You're probably hearing sirens. Just as I went to start filming, a squad went down the road, like back behind me, the next road over. So I'm just kind of waiting for that to be quiet so I can go outside because there's a bunch of dogs barking and stuff too. Sorry, my lips are so chapped. They're gonna be worse when I come in. I should probably put some chapstick on, but yeah. So I have, let me turn quick. I have this pan that I'm gonna take out for this little girl here because she's never been out in the snow. And I saw somebody do it one time where they brought in a pan of snow and they brought it in for their cats to play in. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going out there. I'm actually gonna shovel off my deck a little bit too, but I'm gonna play first. So so yeah, come along with me. I'm gonna pause you for a second. Okay, so got my hat like tied down so I don't lose it. I have a hood too, but I don't think I'm gonna need it. And I got some gloves. These aren't the best gloves, but it's kind of like what I have for the moment, so that's what we're gonna use. I'm gonna go out my back door. Let's see if I can open it. Did I? Oh, I didn't unlock it. Of course. Why would I get anything ready to film? There we go. Okay. Okay. So here we are out in the great outdoors. Let me set this down here so I can bring it in later. I'll get my chores done first. Let me flip you around so you can kind of see the snow that I'm working with here. So this is what I got. This is my deck. That is my entrance to my nail studio, and I've got quite a bit of snow happening here. So I'm gonna go over to my big garage. I'm gonna get the shovel, and I'm gonna shovel off my deck. So yeah, I probably didn't pick the right kind of boots for this, but I just kind of wanted to play. Let's see if I zoom out. This is my yard, so this is what I'm doing. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I didn't put my microphone on because I didn't want it to get like super crazy, but this is my little nail studio entrance, and this is the snow that I got. So you guys back around. You can come with me on my journey to maybe clear out my driveway. I don't know. I'm gonna do that. But let's open up. Oh, my poor lips are so dry. Let's check it out. See what we got here, and maybe get the driveway cleared up. Okay, so welcome to my messy garage. This is remnants from our construction. Yeah, I'm looking over here. I should be looking right here. Hi guys. Hi. I got my phone like around the other way, so I feel like I'm looking to the other side and I can't see myself, so it is what it is. But this is we call it the big garage. It's kind of a pole barn that's off from our house. But it's currently where my car is parked because we still have stuff left over from the construction from in my house garage where I normally park. But make sure I don't have any like boogies coming out my nose. So here's what we're kind of working with here. The snow, we got a few inches. It's kind of drifted. It's more like, it's not so much drifted right there. Oh my gosh, my poor lips. You guys are gonna be like, get some chapstick, girl. Oh, I know, I have a real problem. But anyways, so I got my hood here to bundle up and zip up my hair up into my coat. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try to maybe see if I can set up a time lapse. Maybe that'll be fun But I'll set up a time lapse and see if I can get like cleaning off the deck. Let's see if I can set it. If I can set it here, maybe. We'll see. I may. Let me move you back here. Sit there. Yeah. You guys can sit right there and kind of peek out, and I'll do a little time lapse. So hold up here and I will be right back.